Hey fam, this is Jao, and you're tuned into Easy Rock. Yeah. Kabisado ka na, ang tamis ng iyong labi. Kabisado ka na, ang oras ng iyong uwi. Di na kailangan pa na ikaw ay magsalita. Yeah. Ikaw ay tila sining sa museyong di naluluma. Binibining kong mundo ang kaluluwa. Gonna keep you like a nagkashay all my life. Hold me now, I'm 6 feet from the edge and I'm thinking maybe 6 feet, 8 so... mali! Creed pala yun! I'm going home to the place... Tama ba? Wait. Well, I'm going home to the place where I belong. Na 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 is life with me. Ilagay ko. And let me take you to a private little island. Maybe that's right. And maybe share a snack. Na 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 na. Maybe the last ride. Oh no. Do 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 do. Oh, ang daming paraan. Ikaw ang tanging dahilan. Oh babe, aharanahin kita. San man tayo magpunta, yung tipong kahit wala lang. Huwag mag-alala, ipikit ang iyong mata. Na 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 pahinga. Hindi ko na alam. Sorry. Sandali, pwede bang makapaghintay ng kahit sandali? Pwede mo pa akong kitain ng saglit sa gabi. Huwag ka sana munang umalis hanggat hindi ko kayang mag-isa. Yeah. Hello guys, please do listen to my music on all digital music platforms, especially Ikaw Lang Po. And also, please do follow me on all of my social medias at Jao Say Hello. Thank you. Remember someone today with Jao. Bye fam! Ano yung jingle na Easy Rock? Kasalanan ba? Pwede marinig yung Easy Rock. Hey fam! This is Jao. And you're tuned in to Easy Rock. Easy Rock. Okay, gets ko na. Na 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 na. Tama? Parang ganun ba, miss? Kasalanan ba? Easy Rock.
Hey, thanks for watching. For more exclusive videos and artist interviews,
You can check out all our videos by clicking here.
and don't forget to follow us on our social media accounts too. Links are in the description below.